Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to linear diameter dimension. As example, I will create new drawing file and in here you can click base. We insert for example 3D object. So I will insert this object, open, click OK. You can move this object into here and then I will click projected, click project in the top view. Right click and create. Now if you want to create a linear diameter dimension, select in this circle, you can go to annotate. Next click dimension tools, select the circle object, and the next you can right click, click OK. Now you can see the move for icons in the cursor. You can click in from the center here and then move to drag like this. So it will automatically create linear diameter dimension. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials, how to create linear diameter dimension. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.